Welcome to Exam Sale. In this video we will walk through the Citrix Virtual Apps and Desktop 7 Administration syllabus to help you focus your study and practice efficiently. The exam covers 10 domains with exact weights. The apps and desktops images 13%, provisioning and delivering app and desktop resources 12%, providing access with Citrix Gateway 12%, managing the user experience 11%, published app and desktop presentation and management 11%, deploying the site 10%, architecture overview 8%, managing printing for user sessions 8%, managing the site 8%, and Citrix profile management 7%. Each domain lists a difficulty, estimated learning time, and assessment type so you can plan hands-on labs and conceptual review accordingly. The apps and desktops images domain is 13% of the exam. Focuses on master image preparation and VDA management, is rated hard and estimates 12 hours. You will learn to prepare master images by identifying operating system requirements, using the Citrix Optimizer, and configuring browser-based content redirection. The domain also covers installing and configuring the virtual delivery agent, managing image snapshots and versioning, and preparing images for machine creation services. Finally, you will study VDA registration, troubleshooting registration failures, list offs and auto-update, connectivity ports, and managing VDA functional levels. Provisioning and delivering app and desktop resources is 12% of the exam. Focuses on machine creation services and catalog management, is hard and estimates 14 hours. Expect deep coverage of MCS architecture including storage and identity disks, caching and I/O optimization, and updating or rolling back master images. You will learn to create machine catalogs for pooled and static desktops, provision Linux VDAs via MCS, and manage machine identity in Active Directory. The domain also covers delivery groups and application groups, assigning users, power management schedules, maintenance modes and assignment rules. Providing access with Citrix Gateway is 12%, focuses on secure external access and storefront integration, is hard and estimates 16 hours. You will configure storefront for external access through Gateway, create Citrix Gateway virtual servers, and set up session profiles and policies. The syllabus covers ICA proxy and SSL bridge modes, implementing SDA, and managing certificates for secure access. It also includes authentication topics such as LDAP and Radius, implementing multi-factor authentication, configuring authentication policies, and troubleshooting gateway authentication flows. Managing the user experience is 11%, focuses on policy management and HDX optimization, is medium difficulty and estimates 10 hours. You will learn to prioritize Citrix Studio policies, compare them to Active Directory GPOs, and use the modeling wizard to troubleshoot policy application. The domain covers HDX bandwidth and quality settings, configuring adaptive transport, Eastern Daylight Time, and optimizing graphics, audio, and video delivery. It also includes peripheral device redirection like USB, session reliability, auto client reconnect, and optimizing Microsoft Teams in Citrix environments. Published app and desktop presentation and management is 11%, focuses on resource visibility and application life cycle, is medium and estimates 10 hours. You will configure application properties, categories, limits and importance, and manage server-side published content. The syllabus includes AppV and MSIX app attach integration, keyword-based application behavior, and managing icons and display settings. Storefront management is also covered, including creating stores, authentication services, resource filtering, multi-site aggregation and beacon point configuration. Deploying the site is 10%, focuses on initial infrastructure setup and configuration, is medium and estimates 8 hours. This domain walks through infrastructure prerequisites, installing the delivery controller and Citrix Studio, and creating a new Citrix site with database setup. You will configure site licenses, connect to the license server, and manage host connections for Hypervisors and cloud. The syllabus also covers configuring the site for high availability to ensure resilience and continuity. Architecture overview is 8%, focuses on FMA components and communication flows, is easy and estimates 4 hours. You will identify core FlexCast management architecture services and components and understand the delivery controller role. The domain explains communication flows between VDA and controller, the function of the Citrix site database, and the virtual delivery agent role. It also differentiates between user and management layers to clarify traffic and responsibility boundaries. Managing printing for user sessions is 8%, focuses on printer provisioning and universal print server, is medium and estimates 6 hours. You will study the Citrix Universal Print Driver and Universal Print Server and learn to configure client printer auto creation and mapping. The domain covers managing printer drivers, implementing printing policies and bandwidth limits, and troubleshooting session printing issues. Practical scenarios will test your ability to choose the right printing solution and resolve common problems. Managing the site is 8%, focuses on monitoring, licensing, and administration tasks, is medium and estimates 8 hours. This domain centers on Citrix Director and monitoring user sessions, infrastructure health, and log-on performance metrics. You will learn to perform shadow sessions for user support, manage licensing and alerts, and generate usage and historical reports. It also covers using configuration logging for auditing and troubleshooting administrative changes. Citrix Profile Management is 7%, focuses on user profile persistence and strategy, is easy and estimates 6 hours. You will learn to differentiate roaming profiles from Citrix Profile Management, configure CPM via group policy, and manage profile streaming and active write-back. The syllabus includes profile inclusion and exclusion lists, implementing folder redirection, and understanding synchronization and storage considerations. Scenario-based exercises will help you design a profile strategy that balances performance and data persistence. That wraps up the syllabus overview for Citrix Virtual Apps and Desktop 7 administration. Use the domain weights, difficulty ratings, and estimated hours to build a study plan that balances hands-on labs and conceptual review. And good luck with your preparation.